Hey, what's up Polygon holders? So welcome to a new brand new video my brother, and this video I will talk about the Polygon updates. I will talk about the Polygon prediction. So let's start my brothers. To can really Polygon will move upward in upcoming days. Yeah my friends, something says expert about this my friends. To there is a chance to Polygon will wake up and moving upward. Obviously this is possible my brother, because you can see the current condition is also going to be very good now, and they will give you a very good profit now. Let's see my brother, first of all the update, and after that we pretty care just going, but kindly you need to subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. Click the red button, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. My brother, this time you can see here the market rank of Polygon as 17, but that obviously my friends, they will be hit now. They will become into top 10 just in only my friend and in 2 or 3 months. But this is possible if a holder are starting investing, if a holder are starting holding. Yeah my brother, this time you can see here the price is, oh my goodness, they will again hit now 1.07 USD dollar. Very good my friends, they will hit 1 USD dollar just in only my friend in 2 days. I think this is obviously very huge jump now my brother, and I like it my brother, because Polygon will fail down especially in last month my brother very badly, but the current condition is going to be very good now, and I am so happy to see this. Really, absolutely I am so happy my brother, really. So this time you can see here the change occur last 1 hour, they will be lost now minus 1.96% my friend. You can see here they will fail us down, the price is fail us down. But and last 1 day you can see here plus 15.36% profit. So obviously this will be very good profit now. Last 7 days you can see here plus 33.04% they will be take a profit, and I am so happy to see this. Congratulations my brother, to in last 7 days they will give you a good profit. Yeah, Polygon holder, what we need to do and this time, obviously my friend, you can see here last 7 days, oh my goodness, 42.94% profit. Oh my goodness, this is will be very huge now. The line, as you can see here my friend, the arrows is completely moving upward now. So that's mean my brothers too, the coin price will be increasing hour by hour, minute by minute, and there is a lot of chances. Obviously expert says right to they will be moving upward now, and they will give you a more good profit. So there obviously my friends, definitely a holder also my brother invest for profit. So let's see my brothers, at the end of month I know they will give you a profit. I am also holder of Polygon, so I just wait for the end of this month. I hope my brothers they will be give me a 1.5 to 2 USD dollar. But this is possible if a holder are starting investing, and they will get for my friends 20 to 30% profit just in only my friend and per day. So this is possible, otherwise this is impossible to they will hit 2 USD dollar. Let's see holders do what they do, but kindly my opinion is please hold, and what's your opinion, share it in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.